Bullish anchor convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 37 cents and 81 cents by 2030. Market experts accept ANC could reach 37 cents by 2025. Bearish anchor convention market cost expectation for 2022 is 6 cents. Anchor convention presentation. You've come to the perfect locations on the off chance that you're searching for anchor convention value expectations and need to know where the anchor convention cost will go from here on out. We'll look at anchor convention's verifiable information, market patterns, and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from now on. Kindly remember that this guess and some other forecast ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market examiners, not to add that it is challenging to predict whatever exact. Be that as it may, we will really bend over backward. We should start with the anchor convention value expectation. What is the anchor convention? One of the essential inspirations for the making of digital currencies. Anchor convention endeavors to accomplish the depegging of the terra stablecoin and ensuing breakdown of the Luna cryptographic money. Be that as it may, made it be shaken, and it was a main consideration. Individuals that marked us got a 19.5% payout from the anchor convention. However, toward the beginning of May 2022, a few huge financial backers pulled out their possessions, causing the amount of us set in anchor to decline. Different financial backers were then incited to pull out their UST because of this thump on influence. This brought about a run that depegged UST and drove down the cost of Luna. Decentralized finance, frequently known as DeFi, is the essential rule behind a few blockchains and digital forms of money. It depends on the perception that there are a larger number of individuals with web access than ledgers. DeFi is intended to give clients admittance to ordinary banks' administrations without expecting them to submit to a particular power. Credits are one assistance given by banks that can be favorable for the people DeFi is attempting to reach. The thought that credits might be made by means of decentralized finance, and especially Bitcoin, can possibly cause a ton of commotion, albeit Compound and other cryptographic forms of money are specialists in this field. The issue of whether a digital currency could help shoppers give credits rather than getting them actually must be replied. The anchor convention steps in as of now. The Luna cryptographic money might be acquired in restricted amounts utilizing Anchor, which works on the LAN blockchain. Borrowers can involve their own computerized resources as security. The Anchor convention token is granted to supporters of the LAN pool. Individuals can contribute ANC to the getting pool to procure interest, which is paid out in ANC too. Individuals who own Anchor Convention Bitcoin really have a digital currency bank account, which is one more normal bank choice that DeFi enthusiasts wish to exploit. At a certain point, the convention was a fascinating possibility since it paid out a sizable amount of interest. In any case, on June 8, 2022, Anchor clients chose to stop the two it's acquiring and getting capacities after its job in the depegging of the US stablecoin. The LAN blockchain and the Luna digital currency were both made by Korean crypto business visionaries Daniel Shin and Do Kwon, who likewise sent off the coin. The money entered the open business sectors in WOC 2021, and the convention was at first presented in mid-2021. ANC isn't a coin, yet a token rather in light of the fact that it runs on the LAN exemplary blockchain. In spite of the fact that implications to things like an Anchor convention coin cost conjecture or an ANC coin value forecast might show up, they are completely mistaken. Anchor convention basic investigation. As financial backer confidence in the environment hit an untouched low with the breakdown of the algorithmic stablecoin UST, LAND was left in a problematic circumstance. The current chain will keep on being named LAND Exemplary, while the new chain will be called LAND. Partners in Luna Exemplary, proprietors of Luna Exemplary, and proprietors of UST will all get airdrops of new LUNA2 tokens. Anchor convention specialized investigation. Regardless of whether it is challenging to create 100% precise specialized examination for the ANC coin, trading views strong specialized investigation capability permits clients to see the joint Anchor convention trade rating for the given time span continuously. The NCI USD investigation depends on the most broadly utilized specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Anchor convention current cost. Anchor convention is right now worth 8 cents USD. ANC has moved 1.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,533,683. Anchor convention is right now positioned 477 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $29,304,916 USD. Anchor convention value forecast 2022. Anchor convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ANC cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 12 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 11 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. ANC is supposed to have a base worth of 10 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Anchor Convention ANC cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ANC will before long outperform 20 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ANC's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ANC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 16 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 18 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 29 cents and ANC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ANC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 26 cents and a low of 25 cents in 2024. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Anchor Convention effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money aficionados, the ANC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ANC will be green in 2025. The ANC is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 37 cents, with a base cost of 33 cents and a typical cost of 35 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ANC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 43 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 41 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ANC has a greatest value worth of 46 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 51 cents. On the off chance that ANC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 54 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ANC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 50 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2028. While ANC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 58 cents and a yearly cost close above 62 cents in 2020. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Anchor Convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 66 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 71 cents, averaging out at 68 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an